Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Valorant Bootstrap packaged error. So please follow the steps with me and let's jump into it. First of all, it's better to disable any third-party antivirus or Windows security on your computer. If you're using a third-party antivirus and for you to stop it temporarily, all you need to do on your taskbar, just click on this drop up and look for the antivirus icon, then right click on it and select quit. So just in case you are using Microsoft default security, all you need to do, go to search and type in there Windows security and open it up. In here, click on virus and threat protection, and then after that, under virus and threat protection settings, click on manage settings and make sure to turn off real-time protection. Once you're done, on the left select firewall and network protection. Then in here, click on allow an app through firewall. Then you should be able to see the Windows Defender firewall. Now, in case you have a different Windows version and you can't access to these settings, all you need to do, just go to search and type in there Windows Defender firewall and open it up from here. Then on the top, select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall. In here, click on change settings and next select allow another app. So now we need to add Riot Vanguard, Riot Game and Valorant file to the firewall allowed exceptional list. So to do that, just click on browse and on the left select local disk C drive. Then look for Riot Games folder and open it up. Next, Riot Client. Over here, select Riot Client Services and click on open. Then click on add. Once you add it, make sure both private and public is checked. After this, we need to add Valorant, so we need to follow the same process. Just click on allow another app, browse again, local disk and Riot Games folder. Over here, select Valorant folder, then live and select Valorant and click on open. Click on add. So as you can see, BootstrapPackagedGame is added, so now we need to make sure both is checked, private and public. Next, we need to add Valorant Win64. So just click on allow another app, browse, shooter game, binaries, Win64, and over here select Valorant Win64 and click on open. Then click on add. So again, make sure both options are checked. And the last one that we need to add is Riot Vanguard. So follow the same process, click on allow another app, then browse, select local disk C, then program files, and in here look for Riot Vanguard folder. Open it up and select vgc.exe and click on open and then click on add. Okay, after added to the list, then I will make sure both public and private is checked. Once you finished in here, then click OK and launch your Valorant. Hopefully this should fix the issue. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.